Have you ever tasted an ice cream but you weren't satisfied? Did it taste bad to you? Good recipe ice cream is the best solution.
We make your product with the best milk in the market. Either you want vanilla or chocolate, even both of them.
Furthermore, the chef's specialty is to use almond milk because, as we know, everyone is, absolutely should be, concerned about the animals and the environment.
For its production, we take the exquisite ice cream cone, then we just serve the perfect ice cream for you.
Also, you can choose among a big variety of candies such as M&M's, Oreo, Kit Kat, Carlos Life, and more.
Even best, we can add chocolate syrup or to take the Mexican flavor, lechera and cajeta.
Make your family happy with God's recipe ice cream.
From the sky to your mouth.
Only with God's recipe.